So if you're looking for a portable fan that you can take out to camping, a ball game, say cruise excursions, amusement park lines, this is something worth considering. It's really pretty easy to use and it's pretty light too. Now it does come with a charging cord here, and you're going to go ahead and just plug that right in the back here so you can go ahead and charge that up. Now this port is also used as a power bank too. So it's an input and an output. So if you had a phone that's getting low on its juice, go ahead and plug it in there and it's ready to go. It's real easy to grip. You can see here it's right about the size of my hand. It fits there really well. I love that it's got the black and the orange here. These are some really nice accents. And then also this actually has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery built inside. That allows you to charge multiple devices. It also allows a 36-hour runtime. Now this does have two buttons. This is our power button, and this button here on the front, that adjusts our speed. There are 5 different levels, and once you turn this on, it's going to go to the level that you had it at last. So right now, let me get it back here so you can see this. This is level 1. Level 2 is actually 25%, 50%, 75, and then that's at 100% speed. After a couple of seconds, it's going to go ahead and default to the battery level. You can see here it's at 93%. Now this does have quite a bit of power. Let me give you a demonstration here. So I've got a tissue right here. So you see here it's blowing pretty good. I mean, I was using this the other day. We went to a outdoor concert. My family was using this. They loved it. My grandson even asked me if he could just keep it. So that kind of tells me he really liked this. Now also on the back side here, we've got a little metal grill here. So that way any fingers, any small items aren't going to get stuck in there at all. And you can see the fan. We actually have 5 blades there. As soon as you turn it on, it starts taking off. And it does come with a lanyard. So if you want to, you can just hang it around your neck. So it's easy to carry. And if you want to go ahead and adjust the speed down again, you just drop it down to a nice gentle speed. I like that it's compact. I can take this anywhere and just keep myself cool. Comes in handy. I've got several Warmco products. Now this was gifted to me so I could show you all these features and give you my true honest opinion. I'm very happy with this and I definitely recommend it. Hope you found this review helpful.